So we got this situation like tangents from external point. So you know that suppose it's a circle. Okay, so if it is circle and you want to drop a tangent and the tangent is from external point, so you know that we will have two tangents, correct or wrong? Suppose that it is P, it is A, it is B. So PA is a tangent, PB is a tangent, and this is the center of a circle. Suppose. Okay. So how we will approach this kind of situation? So first you have to make sure that what is your requirement. Okay. Like requirement is you need to find combined equation of tangents. You know that there will be two tangents, so I want combined equation of tangents, or you need independent equations. Okay, so based on requirement we will respond accordingly. Suppose that you need to find combined equation of tangents. So how will you respond? So for this also we have some result, and the result is S1 equals t square. Who is S? S is the equation of curve. Who is S1? S1 is point satisfaction. Okay, who is T? T is transformed, where x square is transformed by x1, y square will be transformed as y1, x will be transformed as x plus x1 by 2, y will be transformed as y plus y1 by 2. So here we will get combined equation of tangents. Suppose that we want to get independent equations of these tangents. So what you will do, you have solved this kind of question in a straight line, where you will imagine this. Here you will have quadratic, so you will imagine in quadratic, that is quadratic in x. Okay, assume quadratic in x, and then apply Sridhar Acharya rule. So you will have x equals to something and something, so you will have you will have two equations, because you know that it is minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac. So you will have two independent equations. Okay, suppose that this much of mazduri you don't want to do. Okay, so how we will respond? So you have to recall the result where the line is going to be tangent in slope form. Do you remember that case? You have figured out the condition for tangency. It was what? Y equals mx plus or minus r times root over 1 plus m square. So this is the equation of tangent if equation of circle x square plus y square equals to r. So this is your equation of circle, and equation of line is y equals to mx plus c. Okay, so this is the case where you will find equation of tangent. Okay, also you know that all the time we cannot expect that we will have a circle whose center will be origin only. So look at this case, what it would be? It would be anything. So x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square equals to r square. Okay, So this is the equation of circle, and line will be same because you can manage to create this form. Okay, so what kind of change equation of tangent will have? So nothing, in place of y you have to write this. Okay, so it is y minus y1. In place of x you have to write this, x minus x1, then plus or minus r times root over 1 plus m square. So this is how you will get equation of tangent when the center is at different coordinate. I hope this idea is clear. Okay, also look at this result. This result is very unique and it is very useful as well. Now try to understand this thing. Suppose that we want to find out a circle which will pass through the point P A B. So it is circumcircle of triangle PAB. Okay, it is circumcircle of triangle PAB. Now try to understand that, try to feel that your circle will 100% pass through the center of given circle. How? Look at this. You know that these two things are perpendicular. So look at this. You know that the diameter makes 90 degree at the circumference of a circle. So this PO will become what? Diameter. Okay. This thing also 90 degree. So the circumcircle of triangle PAB, where P is a point outside the circle, A is point of contact, B is point of contact. So if you want to find out equation of circumcircle, what you have to do? Treat PO as the diameter. So you know P, you know O. So you can find out midpoint. Midpoint will decide the center of circumcircle, and for radius you will go with this distance or go with PO distance divided by 2. So this is how we will find out equation of circumcircle. I hope idea is clear.